Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how you can create clip art like this, but today we won't be discussing Midjourney. Instead, we'll explore alternative AI tools that can help you create creative and mind-blowing clip art designs to sell. This is a free pick account where you can see that they have uploaded all sorts of clip art and are generating earnings from it. So let's get started. Today we'll be talking about cutout.pro. With this, you can generate images and clip art. First of all, you need to sign up on this website. Once you've done that, you'll see an interface like this. Here, you can enter your prompt and select your desired image size and style. I'm choosing the vector art style here and clicking on the Generate button. Now you have your result. You can download it. If you run out of credits, you can either create a new account or purchase a premium account to create more images. You can also inspect it and download it. If you're not sure how to download it after inspecting, you can watch the preview Firefly video. That's it for today's AI tool. Stay tuned for the next video where we'll explore more exciting AI tools.